If you want to delete OneDrive from your Windows PC, I'll show you the quickest and safest way to do it step by step. This is a great fix if you're not using OneDrive, you want to reduce clutter, or you simply prefer to manage your files another way. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, press Windows+I on your keyboard to open the Settings app. This is the central place in Windows where you can manage apps, accounts, privacy, and system settings. Once Settings opens, look at the left side and click Apps. Then choose Installed Apps. On some versions of Windows, this may just say Apps and Features, but the idea is the same. You're looking for the full list of applications installed on your computer. Now use the search bar if needed and type Microsoft OneDrive. When it appears in the list, click the three dots next to it. A small menu will pop up, and from there, click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the app, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall. After that, just wait a moment while OneDrive is removed from your PC. If everything goes smoothly, OneDrive should disappear from your installed apps list. Depending on your system, it may also stop showing in File Explorer or in the taskbar area. That means the app itself has been removed from your computer, which is exactly what most people want when they search for how to delete OneDrive. Now, before uninstalling, there is one optional but very important step. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and make sure any files you want to keep are downloaded and saved to your PC. If you have documents, photos, or important folders stored there, copy them to another local folder first if needed. This helps make sure you don't lose anything important during the process. And here's the key thing to remember. Uninstalling OneDrive does not delete the files stored in your OneDrive cloud account. Your cloud files stay online and can still be accessed through Microsoft OneDrive unless you delete them separately. So if your goal is just to remove the app from your computer, uninstalling it is enough. But if you want to remove files from the cloud too, that has to be done manually through your Microsoft account. If you ever change your mind later, OneDrive can usually be reinstalled again from Microsoft or through Windows updates. So this is not a permanent decision for your cloud data. It only removes the local app from your device. That's why this method is safe and simple for most users. So to quickly recap, press Windows+I, open Apps, go to Installed Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive, click the three dots, choose Uninstall, and confirm. That's it. In just a few clicks, you can delete OneDrive from your Windows PC without going through a complicated process. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like and subscribe for more step-by-step Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.